Hello there, my name is Trevor. I come from Cambridge, England. I first encountered the Premium Care website in 2016, so I'd been following you for 8 years before taking the plunge. And I arrived here in Cartagena 2 months ago. I had my surgery 1 month ago. The surgery was a deep plane facelift, full tummy tuck, and 360-degree liposuction. I'm 70 years old now, so you can tell from the results they're pretty good, and I would recommend Dr. Campbell and Restrepo to anyone. Excellent service and surgical skills. Even if I could afford the Western prices, I would still go with Dr. Campbell because I trust him. Well, the climate here is very hot and humid, and also I had to wear a compression garment around my torso for the gynecomastia and the liposuction, which makes using the bathroom a bit tricky. But I still have to wear it for another month, that would make it a total of 2. Yeah, I've had nursing, the nursing care has been excellent. They speak quite good English, and they attended me at my Airbnb every day for the first few weeks of recovery, which was excellent, and changed my dressings and emptied my drains. The total cost for me was around, including pre-operative testing, it was around 20,000 US dollars, plus around an extra 5,000 for Airbnb accommodation and general expenses here, making a total of $25,000 or around 20,000 British pounds, which is very economical compared with what it would have cost me in the West. If you've seen videos of the liposuction process, it looks quite rough, but the pain was well controlled with medications, and there's only minor sensitivity on my front. A little loss of sensation, numbness on the upper face, but that should resolve within the coming months, and I should see the full results after 3 months. I did consult a couple of British general surgeons before coming here, around 20 or 30 years ago, in fact, and I asked them about my gynecomastia and what sort of result I would get, and they were not very enthusiastic about doing it because they thought I would be disappointed with the results. So that did not give me a lot of enthusiasm. So I plumped for American surgeon Dr. Campbell, who was very positive and gave me an excellent result. So with regards to final scars, there will be a fine line where I had the tummy tuck here from side to side. And there will be slight lines behind the ears, behind the tragus of the ear here, but they will be well camouflaged by the hair. So I'll probably have to get used to a slightly longer hairstyle than I have at present. So I initially thought that my surgery would be split between the body and the face, but in the end, Dr. Campbell suggested performing it all in one session, which turned out to be over 6 hours between him and Dr. Restrepo, his wife. And the result was excellent. It's a good way, the multi-surgeon approach turned out very well. And I'm glad it was all done in one session. When I arrived here 2 months ago, I had quite a pot belly, not a beer gut, but a pot belly due to lax rectus abdomini musculature. For which Dr. Campbell performed the full width tummy tuck, lifted up, and applied a surgical corset, and brought the abdominal muscles together to give a good result. The final result was they sucked 1 liter of fat during the liposuction process, 1 liter, and a small amount of abdominal tissue. And my weight has dropped 5 or 6 kilos with not only the surgery, but just being here in the tropics in the heat and exercising, I've lost 5 or 6 kilos. So I'm almost back to my youthful weight of 68 kilos. So that's a good bonus.